What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take your throttle body from this to this. Cleaning your throttle body is essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. Over time, carbon buildup and grime can collect on the throttle plate, throwing off your air-fuel ratio. This can lead to issues like rough idling, poor gas mileage, sluggish acceleration, and even engine stalling in more severe cases. That's why it's a good idea to clean your throttle body every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. On most modern fuel-injected cars, you can locate the throttle body by tracing the air intake system toward the engine. If you're not exactly sure where it is on your specific car, refer to your vehicle's repair manual. I'll link one in the description below. Step 1. Access the throttle body. In my case, I have to remove the intake manifold to get to it. Start by disconnecting any quick-release couplings and electrical connectors that are in the way. Then, remove the intake resonator. One of the manifold bolts is blocked by the belt tensioner, so I'll need to move that out of the way. I'm going to loosen the tensioner. Slide off the serpentine belt. Remove the top tensioner bolt. Loosen the bottom bolt so I can swing the tensioner aside. Now I can remove all 5 intake manifold bolts using a 10mm socket and extension. Next, disconnect the PCV hose, and then the throttle body connector. Carefully lift off the intake manifold and set it aside. Step 2. Clean the throttle body. Before anything else, cover the intake ports with a clean rag so no dirt or debris falls in. Now, using a shop towel and some throttle body cleaner, wipe down the surface of the intake ports. To get a thorough clean, I'm going to remove the throttle body completely with a 7mm socket. Spray the cleaner directly onto the throttle body and scrub away the carbon buildup using an old toothbrush. Be gentle as you manually open the butterfly valve, and make sure to clean both sides thoroughly. Once most of the gunk is off, use a clean towel to finish wiping it down. Take a second to inspect the throttle body gasket and intake manifold gaskets. Replace them if they look worn out. Step 3. Reassemble and relearn idle. Now it's time to put everything back together in reverse order. Make sure to torque all bolts to spec. I'll include those numbers in the description. Once reassembled, you'll need to let your car's computer relearn the idle settings. This process can vary from car to car, so check your owner's manual. Here's how I did it for my vehicle. Set the parking brake. Put the transmission in park. Turn off all accessories, radio, lights, AC, etc. Press the brake pedal and start the car. Let the engine warm up to normal operating temperature. Let it idle for 1 minute. Shift into neutral, press the gas pedal, and hold for another minute. Finally, take the car for a 12-mile drive to finish the idle relearn process. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips. See you in the next one.